How to fix there was a problem with NVIDIA App. Let's get started. Launch Open Device Manager. In the search box, type in Device Manager and search for it. Then you can launch it. Now, here you're going to find this option, Display Adapters. Click on that. Under that, you're going to find your NVIDIA. You'll need to right-click on it, then select the option Update Driver. Now, you'll be getting two options. Select this one, Browse My Computer for Drivers. Now click on the option Let me pick from a list of available drivers on computer and select it. Just complete this process. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is open your settings, then navigate to the section Apps. Now click on the option Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find NVIDIA. Once you find it, click on three dots for it. Then select the option Install. Once you have installed it, now launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of NVIDIA. Now go ahead and download and install it. With this, your problem will be resolved. So this way you can fix there was a problem with NVIDIA app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.